Okay, everybody, this is Greg here, and I want to do part two for using BizPad as a best use practice for your website creation. And I kind of want to show you how it evolved from what I showed you in the first video to the second video. So now we had all these pages that have been built. We had the header page that had been built. We had the join page. We had the home page. We had the tour pages. And so as we got all these pages built, there's all kinds of little things that needed to be fixed. So rather than putting all these things into one post, we broke down every single little task. So please fix the arrangement of the login and the navigation. Please fix the type font and the bold properties. Please fix the font sizing. And then over here on the notes, there's notes and discussions going on for each task. Like I need this font, or I need that font, or what's going on. So here, see how Matt, he wants to match the font, so he's uploading the font right here through a file. So, and now I'm clicking on the yellow ones showing that it's red. And again, that's one of the main things that people always forget with our system is if you don't click on the yellow and read the notes on the right, it never goes away as a new item. So again, we're having the discussion about this particular task. And if you were to put all these tasks into one item, then it's really going to be hard to keep the conversation straight and clear and not get stuff mixed up. So we suggest that you create your project, create your separate tasks, organize your tasks under, like this is all miscellaneous, and then make a task for each little itty bitty thing. And I know it seems like it can be laborious when you do that, but the bottom line is it helps you keep things straight, it helps keep the conversation straight, and then you can hold your team accountable to get it done on a timely basis. Now what I do is I'm going in here and I see that this dashboard was checked done, and see the dashboard footer eat length, and so it was done. So I'm going to go ahead and check it as closed, and then it's going to disappear from everybody. I come down here to header, and you can see we have header revisions, and then we have indented these two tasks. Please check the nav bar, make sure it's identical to the comp, meaning the comps that we built. So the bottom line is that we're making a task for every page and make it really, really clear, because again, our webmasters, our graphic designers, our programmers are all over the world. We do not sit in the same office. It would be easy if you sat in the same office, you could have a meeting and point stuff out. But even so, stuff gets forgotten, stuff gets slipped through the cracks. This way, nothing ever gets slipped through the cracks, and it always gets taken care of. So again, I'm going to mark this as closed because it was marked done. And I hope this helps you guys understand a great way to use BizPad, to do your website development and assign the various tasks to different people. And we assign to George. George does his thing, assigns it back to Matthew. Matthew does his thing, marks it done, assigns it back to George. And it's just a fantastic way to keep track of every single little itty bitty task, and then it's getting done. Now, me as the owner and the big cheese, I'm sitting here looking at this and I'm going, okay, look at all these tasks for just the website. And I'm going, okay, this one was done, 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 this was done. So I'm seeing progress just by a glance. And I'm going, okay, that makes me happy. Stuff's being done. So I love that. The stuff's being done. And I can see it as the manager, the CEO, the big cheese. And that's what it's all about for me, to help manage this stuff. And I hope you like this. And BizPad rocks!